Torrential Slide really is a mid-position digital money at present valued at $13.90 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $4,787,491,950. Over the essentially past sort of couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including torrential slide, laid out assorted areas of strength for in the worldwide monetary world, and especially are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Retail financial backers and dealers certainly are fundamentally keen on digital currencies by and large. For example, Avax, in light of the fact that this really is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat beautiful brief time frame. These profits in every practical sense are especially impossible in genuinely different business sectors, which certainly is the motivation behind why most by and large moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like torrential slide, while the groundbreaking ones especially give a critical piece of their money to this quickly creating resource class in a sort of huge manner. At this truly specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $13.90 where it at present sits, which is very critical. As currently referenced, Avax sort of is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 17th spot in worldwide digital currency ranking. The especially metric not entirely settled by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a truly significant manner. On account of torrential slide, the market capitalization in every way that really matters remains at $4,787,491,950. The significance of this boundary will be especially made sense of later, or so they in every way that really matters. Our cost expectation calculation is planned in extremely such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently evaluate the condition of their portfolio and generally choose whether or not it fundamentally needs to especially be reconfigured, which is genuinely huge. Our calculation likewise gives kind of extraordinary consideration to authentic information, which truly is essential for the truly right assessment of both fundamentally current and expected market structure, and the appraisal of its truly present and future bearing, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Underneath you will especially find fundamentally key passages of this authentic information with the goal that you also could essentially have a comprehension of where the torrential slide market in every practical sense is going, or so they really thought. Yesterday, on June 4th, Avax fundamentally was esteemed at $14.57 at the turn of the two exchanging meeting. Generally recollect that cryptographic forms of money explicitly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. amazingly. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period by and large added up to 6.60% in a very significant manner. 7 days prior, on May 29th, torrential slide explicitly was exchanged at $14.94 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its truly present position. So torrential slide by and large is a mid-position cryptographic money right now estimated at $13.90 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $4,787,491,950 in opposition to mainstream thinking. On May 5th, which basically was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $17.39, the cost level that is at the distance of 20.04% from where it presently stands. Fundamentally further appearance how our cost expectation calculation sort of is planned in extremely such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to basically give our endorsers the most reliable data on the especially present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily certainly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and truly choose whether or not it actually should be reconfigured, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The mix of this information with the examination of the cost diagram on various time spans, ideally the ones that for the most part are a lot higher than the 4-hour time period, ought to explicitly provide you with a kind of clear cognizance of the very current circumstance on the Avax market and how it truly has been creating, exhibiting how is currently referenced. Avax is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 17th spot in worldwide digital currency ranking. the sort of metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. Yet, this explicitly is just a glimpse of something larger as to how much information that our calculation filters as the day progressed and sorts out all of important data to explicitly create the most exact short, mid, and essentially long-haul torrential slide cost expectation that especially has generally turned into the establishment for pretty numerous productive exchanging procedures and sort of enlarged venture portfolios, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The cost of a VAX and the readings of 114 basically are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which in every practical sense is very huge. Market capitalization is one more significant especially metric that in every practical sense assists traders with generally deciding the notoriety of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. It's additionally used to in a real sense evaluate the offer that torrential slide generally holds inside the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The equation for the computation of market capitalization really is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to generally as duplicated by its in every practical sense current cost in a fundamentally significant way. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of a VAX in every practical sense remains at $4,787,491,950, enough to name it the 17th in a real sense the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. Truly further appearance how 7 days prior, on May 29th, torrential slide in every practical sense was exchanged at $14.94 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in every way that really matters, near its sort of present position. So torrential slide is a mid-position digital currency right now valued at $13.90 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $4,787,491,950, or so they by and large thought. Yesterday, on June 4th, the market capitalization of torrential slide for the most part remained at $5,016,696,127 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on May 29th, the capitalization of a VAX for the most part was $4,999,514,873, so the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period really added up to 6.60%. A month prior, on May 5th, how much kind of capital streaming around this in every way that really matters? Specific market basically added up to $5,742,583,144 in an every practical sense, huge way. Most cryptographic money financial backers certainly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital currency and its capacity to generally endure disturbances which for the most part are the normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. The especially greatest stock of torrential slide explicitly is 720,000,000 AVAX, the very absolute inventory